चल रही
How was your exciting tonight?
काफ़ी फॉर्मल माहौल था, ब्लैक टाई इवेंट था और मज़े आए, बहुत सारे लोगों को बहुत सारे प्राइजेस मिले, ऑल वेल डिजर्व्ड एंड ऑलवेज गुड टू बी एट अ स्टाइल फंक्शन बिकॉज एवरीबडी इज एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग विद देयर लुक्स, सो गुड फन.
आपके ड्रेस की बात करें तो काफ़ी खूबसूरत लग रहा है ड्रेस, तो उसके बारे में
Has he come now? Have you come now?
Sorry, I'm busy.
I also came 10 minutes ago. I'm gonna go. No, you can get him now. I'm gonna go. See you.
अरे मैं लेट आया.
Hello, hello.
प्रीति जी, सबसे पहले तो अंदर जाके आए हो, कैसा माहौल है अंदर का?
It's great. It's great to see everybody. It was fabulous to see Mr. Bachchan after a long time. And of course, Aki and UV and everybody else. It was nice.
How important is for a person to be fashionable, stylish and glamorous at the end of the day when he's presenting himself or herself in front of someone?
Well, it's important to be fashionable and stylish, but I think you wear the style should not wear you. And as long as you're comfortable and it eventually defines who you are, and it's great whatever you wear.
But personally, if you get a chance to choose one or two, one would be fashionable or stylish, what would you personally prefer?
Stylish.
And why?
Because style is an attitude.
But
Fashion is more related to clothes. Style is, I don't know, sometimes you can be wearing simple jeans and a white t-shirt or something very simple. But that style that you have within you inherent is something completely different to having clothes to make you feel better or look better, if that makes sense.
But personally, on behalf of media, I would like to thank you for one thing that you have been very media friendly nowadays.
Am I?
Yeah, and no doubt in it.
Really?
It's very difficult to find you. Sweetie was in.
That's because I've been traveling, but now I'm back. I'm back in India. So I'm going to be here.
I'm so sorry you
Apart
trapped
from
in
the light that
there.
you have been quoted from social media or the media, what would you like to clarify on the point?
I don't like to clarify anything. I'm very happy to be here.
Come.
So,
Unwell.
1 minute. So how was it? Did you enjoy the evening tonight?
Yes, I enjoyed the evening. I was very excited. I was very surprised that I won an award. And I'm very happy.
Happy?
Yeah.
Next. Done?
That's it? Okay, bye.
Siddharth, bye.
And
So, enjoyed the evening,
holding
sir?
a very nice award. So,
Yes, thank you. Yes, really enjoyed the evening. This is for glamour and style.
yeah.
Coming from outside the industry, when you see the film industry from the outside, the first thing that impresses you is their glamour and style. And today, this year, I'm one of them, and I'm winning from Filmfare, the most filmy and glamorous magazine. So very exciting and very grateful. Thank you.
आपके लिए स्टाइल और ग्लैमर की डेफिनेशन क्या है?
स्टाइल और ग्रामर की डेफिनेशन मेरे लिए एक अपने आप की जो एक्सप्रेशन, एक फॉर्म, एक किस्म की एक लैंग्वेज होती है कि उस दिन आप कैसे फील कर रहे हैं, उस दिन आपका कैसा मूड है. तो आई थिंक इंडिविजुअलिटी, हर एक आदमी का अलग अलग एक लहजा होता है, अलग अलग एक पहनने का ढंग होता है. तो हाँ, आई थिंक इंडिविजुअलिटी एंड एक्सप्रेशन.
But Siddharth, apart from fashion, glamour and style, I would like to say that how do you deal with the situation or react on a situation where things have been printed about you on a tablet or a broadsheet? So how do you take it as when a link up, tabs, rumors have been just printed as factual information?
There's nothing to take. I think whatever you read is not always true. So I guess the ones who have to believe it, they believe. The ones who don't, they don't really
you
know.
yourself admit that the things which is printed is true. So there are things printed.
No, I'm saying not everything that you write is not always true. I said.
Okay, perfect. But would you like
There is
to
a 50% chance of it not being true.
But would you like to clarify one thing, saying that people have been just boasting about that Siddharth and Alia are into a relationship, or the ex.
See, we don't know where it started from. As I said, I think we've been hanging out from way before. She's my first co-star. We've always been friendly, me, Varun and Alia. So I have no idea where it's coming from.
Perfect. So what's next, Siddharth? People are just waiting for
What's
you to
next?
see something which glimpse out of your upcoming projects.
Upcoming project is a Shakun Batra's film, which is next, Dharma Productions. Hopefully we'll announce it soon. So yeah, looking forward to it. Thank you.
Wish you all the best.
Sure, thank you.
Has it been shared or postponed?
आपसे वो तो केवल मुंबई में रहना. सर अवार्ड सर अवार्ड के बारे में क्या कहते हैं? मेरा हो गया सिंगल.
Karan sir.
Oh my god, seriously?
बॉलीवुड की कई हस्तियां आपको आइडल मानती है, फैशन इन द सेम. और आपने
Karan
अवार्ड
ने क्या बोला? Karan, what did you say about me?
सोनम पूछा तो मैंने आपका नाम.
Thank you.
Congratulations
अवार्ड
पहले
जीत कर ये
तो, और
तो
दो
दिखा दिया.
अवार्ड साथ में लेके आ गए हैं. क्या कहना चाहेंगे? कितनी एक्साइटमेंट?
I'm very excited. Thank you so much, Filmfare. मेरा सबसे बेस्ट मोमेंट था जब मैंने श्रीदेवी को अवार्ड दिया और माधुरी दीक्षित ने मुझे अवार्ड दी. So that's quite cool. I think that's one of those iconic moments in my life.
यहाँ पर हमने जितने भी सेलेब्स को पूछा, उन्होंने आपका ही नाम लिया कि आप ही एक फैशनिस्टा हो. तो कैसा लगता है जब सारे इंडस्ट्री के लोग आपकी तारीफ करते हैं?
बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है.
थैंक यू सो मच एंड ऑल द बेस्ट.
Bye.
You should tell me. It's gone, no? No, it's there. It's there.
You can pose.
Yeah, I'm here. Still, click pictures, do this. This, right? Guys, can you fix her? I'm here only. I'm just like,
अवार्ड जीते कुछ बताइए इसके बारे में।
बहुत खूबसूरत लग रहा है।
Please tell us about your
एकदम सही कहा लड़के ने, वेरी गुड, करेक्ट। हाँ भाई, मुझे अवार्ड दिया गया है मोस्ट स्टाइलिश एक्टर मेल के लिए। आज मैं बड़ा एम्बैरेस्ड हूँ क्योंकि इसी कैटेगरी में मेरे साथ अमित जी को भी नॉमिनेट किया गया था, एंड आई कांट बिलीव दैट यू कैन नॉमिनेट मी एंड अमित जी इन द सेम कैटेगरी। इट्स रिडिकुलस, इट्स इनसेन। थैंक यू सो मच।
Hello,
हाय,
how are you?
ऑलराइट।